What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to continue our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So let's just get right into it, guys. Woohoo! So you're probably wondering, like, what the heck, Johnny? Today is not Monday. Yeah, I know. I get it. It's not Monday. It's Tuesday. It's freaking Tuesday, and it's Tuesday because a water main or something blew out in my apartment complex. So, yeah, I didn't have utilities yesterday, so couldn't take a shower, couldn't do anything. So I was kind of stuck. Guys. So this is what you get. You get me today. So let's just go ahead and bring up the old phone here. And we're gonna go over what we got here, because crypto market is doing pretty wild right now, guys. First and foremost, I would like to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, because wow, guys, we were so freaking close. We were so close to the all-time high. We were so close. 59,000 or 69,324 and 58 cents. 69K, guys. The last during the last bull run, I think we made it to 70K. 70K. And I told you guys last year. I don't know if you guys have been following along, but I told you guys last year, look at this chart, guys. I told you guys last year that 100K Bitcoin in 2024. 100K Bitcoin in 2024. Now look at the charts, guys. Look at the freaking charts. That looks phenomenal. That is crazy, guys. Look at what's going on here. You can see. I'm going to go ahead and put up a little line here on our chart just so you can see. It's doing exactly what we expected it to do, guys. It's going crazy. It's going freaking parabolic. Look at that climb, guys. Look at that. Let me highlight that for you. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this climb. It's crazy, guys. You know, we went from, I think it was as low as 16,000 all the way up to 69,000, guys. I'm telling you, Bitcoin is where it's at. No matter what people tell you on the news, no matter what the institutional investors tell you, no matter how many times they try to scare you and tell you that, you know, well, Bitcoin is super volatile and oh, it's just a scam and all this stuff, like Bitcoin. Why would they be dumping all their money into Bitcoin right now if it's a scam? Why would they be dumping all their money into it right now, you know, if it's super volatile and, you know, whatever? But honestly, guys, these are all scare tactics. Whenever you hear stuff like that on the news, they're just trying to scare the little guys. That are, you know, trying to invest and trying to get out of their situation. You know, institutional investors, the big guys, the big corporations, I forget exactly what the number is, but they hold almost the majority of Bitcoin now, and it's crazy. It's freaking crazy, guys. It is insane. And there's only one reason for that. It's because it's going places. And obviously you can see right here, it's freaking going places. Right now, we are in our little correction. So I'm going to let's go to the day. So from 69,300, we dropped to 64,000. So That's a correction, guys. I mean, anytime you see such a high climb like that, there's going to be a correction. So Bitcoin is going to go lower. I don't know how much lower, but it's definitely going to go lower. Within the next couple days, it should go lower, and then, it should start going back up within, I want to say within the week. It should start going up again because, during these swings, people already know they're going to sell high and they're going to, buy low again. They're going to sell all their position. They're going to let Bitcoin drop a little bit because that's what it does during the correction. And then they're going to rebuy, when they're going to rebuy a little bit lower. They're probably rebuying right now at 64,000. So guys, wow. If you guys have the means, just continue buying Bitcoin. Dollar cost average Bitcoin, because that is freaking where it's at. That is where it's freaking at, guys. So we're just going to hurry up and we are going to go to our portfolio here. And as you can see, if you look at this little chart here, you can see that our portfolio, as well as the market, follows the trends of Bitcoin. So all these tokens in the crypto market, they're all going to follow the trend of Bitcoin, and they're all going to follow what Bitcoin does. So you can see right here, we started going pretty high, pretty crazy, and then we had a little correction, just like Bitcoin is doing right now. So let's go ahead and go to our let's go to our portfolio, guys. Let's go to our portfolio because I just want to check this out. Fetch AI. Fetch AI is doing great, guys. Check that out. Our little $18 is now $50.80, guys. $50 freaking and 80 cents. That is awesome. That is awesome. Our little 29 tokens is going places. Look at Uniswap as well, guys. Uniswap is at $38.37 from $18. Look at these numbers are freaking awesome. Solana, $28.48 from $18. Bitcoin, as we already talked about it, $24.23 off of our measly 18 bucks. Man, Magic is still up there. We're still in the positive for Magic. Same thing with XRP. We are still in the positive. Polygon is actually going back up there too, where we gained our position back, and we are in the positive as well. Internet Computer, we're kind of lingering around the same spot we invested in, so that is good. Threshold, our lowest performing asset. Guys, it is our lowest performing asset, but look, it's still trending upward. It is still trending upward, so, there's still hope with this thing. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. We'll see. But Threshold, man, we're still in this. We are still in this with Threshold. So without making this video get super long, we are just going to go ahead. We're going to go to our watch list here. And today's token is going to be CRO Crypto.com token. CRO. So if you guys don't know much about CRO, it is a crypto exchange. Crypto.com is a crypto exchange, just like Coinbase, just like Binance, just like Uniswap and all that stuff. And it's an Ethereum token. So they are highly established, guys. Crypto.com is so established that they even bought out the Staples Center here in Los Angeles, guys. We now have the Crypto.com arena. We have the Crypto.com arena here in Los Angeles. So guys, this is going to be our token for today because this is uptrending as well. And right now, since it's in the decline, we want to go ahead and get our feet wet inside this token. So without further ado, guys, we're just going to go ahead and do it, guys. We're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to get our little $20, which is going to give us 125 CRO. We'll go ahead and screenshot that real quick, and we're going to place the order, guys. We're just going to hurry up and do it. And that's it. that is it. Our order has been submitted. We're going to go ahead and check that out. Boom, boom, refresh that, and boom. There we are, $18.30 minus the Coinbase fee. We are at 125 CRO tokens. Yeah, you guys can see I bought and traded CRO for a while there. I love CRO. It's a good token. It's definitely a good token to invest in, guys. And yeah, there we go. There we freaking go. Crypto.com. They actually have, if you check out their website, they actually have like debit cards and stuff. They have different types of, I don't know. They used to have like this money thing where if you held a certain amount of CRO in your CRO account, you would have a different type of status in your account. So I think I had the basic, it was like a Sapphire or something, where I got this this Sapphire debit card, I guess it was, or whatever. But it was pretty cool. I mean, I guess it was pretty cool just to see that or whatever. But yeah, guys, CRO, crypto.com. That's our token for today. And, you know, that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much it for the day. Fetch AI, guys. Fetch freaking AI is doing freaking phenomenal. Man, if you guys didn't buy into Fetch AI, you know, what the heck are you doing? What the heck are you freaking doing, guys? Fetch AI is going parabolic. If you have extra money to invest, guys, if you guys have extra money to invest in any one of these tokens, feel free to invest as much as you guys want. This is all up to you. Don't go based on what I'm doing. I'm just a guy on the internet. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just a dude on the internet that is showing you what he's doing and asking you to follow along if you'd like. And that's it, guys. That is freaking it. So that is going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers say to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!